Hi, in this video I'm showing you how to attach an volume into an Windows EC2 instance. I already logged into my account and I already created Windows instance. If you are knowing and if you are not much aware of creating Windows instance, you can check my previous videos in which I showed how to create Windows instance and how to log in using the private key. So here I created two Windows instance. This Windows EC2 and Windows instance. Meantime, I'm going to volume. This is the existing root volume for the current two instances, and I'm creating a new volume. So 5 GB volume, general purpose SSD. Remember, availability zone South 1B. Why? Because the current existing two instances are in South 1B. So if you create in some other availability zone or some other region, you cannot able to attach that volume to the available instance. So create it, which will create. Meanwhile, I'm going to my Windows EC2 instance. So let me connect this instance. So I'm going to connect it. My username is administrator. Get my password. I'm choosing my key. So there is Windows key PEM file. So decrypt password. This is my password for the VM. I'm copying this one and download the RDB file. So through this remote desktop, I'm logging to the Windows VM. Okay, yes. So this will log into the VM. See, now it's logged into the Windows VM, Windows server. I'm checking to that. See, currently this 30 GB root volume is exist. So now I'm going to add, so close this one. Now I'm going to add the created new volume to the Windows instance. So the new volume, this 5 GB is created. Let me check action. So I'm going to attach into the Windows Mesh instance. So in South 1B and South 1B is showing the two instances are running. So currently I log into Windows EC2 instance. So I'm adding it this XVDF device. Attach this. So now it's attaching. Take a little time. Okay, that's not a problem. So meanwhile I'm coming to here. Refresh. Don't worry, it will not come here. You need to do something. So I hope it is added. Let's check it's added or not. So type disk, create and format disk partition. Let's check. I hope it's added. Yeah, close it. See, this 5 GB is available here, but not yet allocated this disk to the Windows machine. So how do we allocate? We have created the volume and we attached to the instance. Now we want to use it. For that we need to allocate this to the instance. So right click, it's already in offline. So if it is not in offline, because I already made it, you can get an option like online. So in that case, you click that online option. After that, again right click, you can see initialize disk. So I'm using GPT. Okay, and now I'm choose this for finance, that 5 GB volume, and creating a new symbol. You need to right click and choose that new, that option. Next, 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 finish. So you can see it's formatting and it's created a new volume name, D. See, the new disk is available here. Okay, this 5 GB free disk is available here. You can use it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create text file, one, just for testing purpose. Don't worry. Text document to a folder. Okay, fine. Just for test purpose. I'm closing it. Okay. Now we created the volume, 5 GB volume, and attached it to the EC2 instance. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to detach this volume from this instance. Yeah, I created and attached here. Now I will detach it. So I am detaching. So you can see now the disk is not visible here, which means which is detached. Meantime, I'm going to log into the next instance, which is EC2 instance. Okay, connect, get my password. Okay, I think same key pair available, Windows key, decrypt password. So you can get this password, copy this one, and remote tester, connect, give this password. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's the second instance is launched. This is the second instance, that is Windows instance. I hope the volume is detached. Meanwhile, let's check. See, only 30 GB is available. So let me go to the volume. This 5 GB volume, action, attach to where I want to attach, to Windows instance, attach. It take a little time. Meanwhile, we can check it reached here or not. Sorry. Okay, so disk, come on. So this is for 5 GB is available here. Make it online. Actually, we don't need to partition it, or we don't need to do anything for that, because we already have does partition and all those things from the first instance. Let's check. See, you can see the documents which I created from the first instance. A new folder and two text files, which I created from the first instance. Okay, now it's working good. We created a volume and attached to an instance. From there, we create some and detach that volume, and again attach that volume to another instance, and we just checked what are the things we created inside the volume is exist from another instance. Okay, now we succeeded in our disk attachment in Windows instance. Thank you for watching. So we can see from, we can see on another video. Okay, now I am removing these things, and one more thing says, I'm I'm saying you remove everything, what are all the things you created in the account. Otherwise, you should you will be you should need to pay for it, since the instance and volume will cost much. So what are all the thing you created after your practice, remove it. That's a better practice. Otherwise, you should pay. So create, practice, delete, create, practice, delete. That's a better option. See you on next video. Hope you enjoy and practice well. Thank you very much.